Hello there. In this video, I've got this amazing software tool. It's cloud-based, and I've been using it the last couple days because I'm putting out this new e-course online, and I needed to do some mock-ups so I could make it kind of flashy and look very professional. And you want to build the perceived value of any product you're selling online, and you want to take it to that next level and make it very professional, right? So how do you take something that is just video based and make it look like it's a physical product, like the customer is going to get something in their hands and there's something tangible for them to grab a hold of and purchase? And so this software that I found, there's several different softwares online, but this one really offers so much, not just one thing, but several different things. And I'll probably be launching kind of a series of tutorials on how to use this tool. But if you have any kind of business online, or even if you're a POD, print on demand seller for t-shirts, and you need t-shirt mockups either on Etsy, Redbubble, Amazon merch, any of those, this software will get all those t-shirt designs, mockups for you. But then it also has ebook cover designs, all kinds of stuff. But in this case, I'm going to show you a little bit of the mockups. We can go over here to the all mockups, right? And the software is called modifier.com, and you can click a link below and it'll take you straight there and you can check it out. And I signed up for a $20 a month plan, so I'm willing to invest $20 a month for this software because it's just amazing of what it will do. And so you can come in here and look at the popular ones, or you can go by if you needed iPhone mockups, MacBook mockups, Android. If you needed a book mockup, you could click right here. And if you're selling a book, look at all these different books, bookmarks, and you put your image here, right? So you can put your image over here, and all this kind of good stuff. And then you can come over here if you have, maybe a magazine and you're selling a magazine, then there are magazine covers, and let it load real quick. So all kinds of stuff, people, live action shots of sitting with the product, or your magazine next to an iPad, just all kinds of different mock-ups, which is super cool. A lot of you might be, well, let's check out the coffee mugs. So there's coffee mug mock-ups, and people holding the coffee mug. Look at these, would look great on Etsy or Redbubble if you're selling coffee mugs. And look at all the different mock-ups right here, and you would never run out. So you wouldn't have to have the same mock-up for all of your designs. You'd be able to come in here and get a variety of different mock-ups for all of your products like that. For coffee, just really awesome stuff. So the coffee mugs are a very popular item to sell. They have 89 current mock-ups for that. Then if you have a box, if you're doing fulfillment by Amazon and you want to take a picture, put your logo on a box that you're going to be sending from Amazon, there's all kinds of different ones, male, female models with boxes. And then of course, the t-shirt. So there's t-shirt mock-ups as well. And you have live action shots of models modeling the gear as well. And so, really good stuff here. And how many? They have 291 shirts, t-shirt mock-ups. So we'll look at that. There's tank tops and business suits, just all kinds. And you can search up here for specifically what you're looking for. You could type in here, right here. It looks like it's got 5-star reviews, and I don't know how long this offer's been around, but it certainly offers a lot. And then there's also a design maker, so you can create new designs in the Instagram post templates, Instagram story templates, logo templates, book cover templates, Facebook post templates, banner templates, Twitter post templates, certificate templates, YouTube channel art templates, Pinterest pin templates, Twitch banner templates, greeting cards, LinkedIn business cards, t-shirt templates, album covers, invoice templates, and poster templates. So all kinds of really good stuff there. So when you click on one, so Instagram post templates, you just click on it. And if you wanted to, create a new post for your Instagram, and you can see all these fancy designs now, you might be saying, well, I can also do that in Canva. And you absolutely can use Canva to do this kind of stuff as well. But this one has a lot of a completely different variety of designs that you won't get on Canva. And look, you have engagement Instagram posts where they're playing fun games. What would you rather? Staying in or going out, coffee or tea, silver. So it has some fun, engaging type posts right here. And you can come through here. You can look at book covers. And all these book covers are just really, really cool. I'll be using this for some of my PLR, taking PLR and then recreating the covers. So then you get these really nice, fancy, professional book covers that you can use to upload onto Amazon and Draft2 Digital and sell private label rights as well. So let me show you real quick how you could apply this real quick and what I did over the weekend when I was creating my course. So I'm going to go over into here and I'm going to create a design in Canva, and I'm going to just make it 1,000 by 1,000. I'm going to create the design. Well, actually, no, I don't want to do 1,000 by 1,000. What I did was actually come in here. I'm going to create a design, and it's actually going to be a poster. I liked the poster dimensions because it's taller type, and it's going to be a very good pixel because it's going to be a big dimensions. So you can grab that, and then let's just say you have different things. Your back to business poster, and let's just look at these real quick. Pretty cool. So let's just use this one. Okay, and let's just say that this flyer right here we just created. Maybe this is our course back in business. And let's say maybe it's your e-course, right? And so what you can do is, let's say we're selling this e-course right here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go download, and I'm going to go ahead and download just the PNG and push download. Okay. So then this is an 18 by 24, I believe. And since I have Canva Pro, what I'll do is I'll come up here to resize. I'm going to resize this to 24 by 18. So it's going to be a 24 by 18. I kind of want the reverse of it now. And you'll see why I'm doing that in a second. So we're going to do copy and resize. And it's going to be a wide version of it, right? And we'll just leave it like that. And I'll just do a download as well. And it will be a PNG in download. So we have our two graphics made. Yes, you can use Canva to create these. But then we're going to make a mock-up, and that's where this software Media Modifier comes in. You want to use Media Modifier to make this, because Canva does not have these features. They don't have great mock-up features in their inside of their platform. It's not what they specialize in. And this whole software here, Media Modifier, makes your product shine and gives it a great mock-up. And so what we're going to do is we'll come back over here into Mockups, and we will click on all mockups. Might need to be in Design Maker. And then what I'll do is I'm going to type in course. So I type in course over here, right? And you have these different boxes and all that stuff, which is great. CD cases, DVD cases, all kinds of stuff. And then check this out. I found a really, really cool one that I like. So this one's really cool. It stands out. And even the flower on top, really, really neat stuff. And there's actually page after page after page, but I really like this one right here. So we're going to click this one, e-course promotion mockup. So it's an e-course promotion mockup, and you have all these settings on the side over here. So the iPhone screen, the iPhone mask, and all that, right? And you can click add your image right here, or you can just literally click inside here and add your image this way. So in this case, we're going to upload the width image right here and push upload, right? And then we can just push the stretch, and then look what happens. Boom. We're gonna do the same thing over here, upload image. We're gonna go with the width one on that one as well. We're gonna push the stretch button, and then right here we will use the tall one. So I'm gonna use the tall one that we made right here and push open and stretch. And then I'm gonna do the same thing over here. And you can see within seconds, I actually have something that I could sell this on Fiverr now, which I'm actually thinking of creating a Fiverr gig for this. And then this one was a little different. Let me see how this one turns out. Click on that. We'll go with the tall one. Open. We'll do a stretch. Oh yeah, it looks beautiful. Look at that. And then what you do is you just click on the side over here. You can put whatever you want on the side. I'll go ahead and just upload the image one more time, and I'll just kind of show you what I do, which is I'll just actually just move it over, and then I'll zoom in, and we just want blue. So I'm going to actually just go like this. So we just want blue, right? And then I'm just going to crop that. And then look at it, it's blue. So then now you have this really high quality mock-up of your e-course that shows people that they can watch it on a laptop. They can watch it on a regular desktop or TV. They can watch it on a tablet or an iPad or an Android device. They can watch it on their phone. And then this is simply just another graphic showing, that everything is included in the box. So this brings your e-course or any digital item, and it brings it to life and makes it more like a physical item, right? People want to see these really nice graphics. So now what do? You can actually download the Photoshop file, PSD file, or you can, and I believe they even have ways that you can share this. You can actually push this and publish it on different platforms, but they have PNG and they have JPEG. So we can actually download the, you can publish it to social media straight from the tool. It's just awesome. But what's really cool is, and you can crop it and everything, you can save the mockup, you can download the image. So we're going to download the image real quick. I'll show you that. Tutorial's almost over. Just showing you this last little bit of information here. So we're going to open up. So we just open it up and this is what it looks like. And you can also change the background to pure white or black or whatever color you want. You can change that real easily inside the tool. But look at these graphics. You can go to Fiverr and sell these graphics for, $10, $20, $30, up to $50 for this complete graphics pack that takes you less than 5 minutes to create and then send to people. And they'll be so happy. They'll be like, oh my gosh, this is 3D. It's beautiful how they do this. And they will send you their logo and artwork, and then all you have to do is just upload it in here and save it. And so you can really build a business overnight with this because there's so many gigs on Fiverr that doing the exact same thing. And really, I was going to go to Fiverr and pay somebody to do this for me. And then I was like, you know what? I like doing things myself. What tools are out there that'll allow me to do this myself? And I found this great tool. And then last but not least, we'll go right back into the tool just real quick. If you still want to do some customizations, let's say you had some more graphics that you created and you wanted to put some stuff in the background, all you have to do is just come over here. And this is what I like about the software. It's customizable. They don't just end there. You can actually open this up into their design editor. And then now watch what happens. It'll actually take you over to another tool where you can do more stuff. You can add text on top, kind of like Canva. You can add this text in here, right here, and you can add text. You could add more pictures and backgrounds. You can draw, if you needed to draw and circle something, you could do different things in here. And then you could also add in an image. Say you had another image you wanted to put in here over the top of it or in the back. You can just go like that. And you can twist it around. And then you can move it backwards. Click that a few times. And then you can add more pictures and stuff. So that is Media Modifier. If you want to check it out, go ahead and click the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.